viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut. In this video, it's all about high blood pressure, hypertension. Alright? Yes, so for anyone who have high blood pressure, this is the cure. You only need to drink it for 9 mornings straight, and that's it. You cure one of the highest blood pressure. Alright? Listen, when it comes to a person with high blood pressure, it started with you. It's only you can make it get back to normal. Alright? So you have to change your diet. First thing, get rid of the salt. Too much salt is not good. Alright? So after get rid of the salt, you can use a little but not too much, or you use the sea salt. But yes, my viewers, as you see on the table here, 3 ingredients cure any hypertension, any high blood pressure you have. This here, this is a chocho, right? This is a white chocho, the green chocho, any one of the chocho. You notice when you peel the chocho, it gives you that stain on your hand. Yeah, when you peel the chocho, it gives you that stain, that sticky stain on your hand. That stain that comes out of the chocho is a very powerful substance. Alright? So listen up. To cure any high blood pressure, and it's also good for diabetes. That is the reason why some people say raw food. Yes. When they say raw food, that means you don't cook it. Right? So, to cure the high blood pressure with a chocho, peg of garlic, and a tip of honey inside. It's very easy and simple. You're not going to peel the chocho, you're going to wash it. And I say wash, you're going to wash it right through. You're going to cut it up. And you're going to put it into the blender. Alright? You're going to put it into the blender. You're going to take out 1 peg of garlic out here. Yeah, make a go on it in a patwa. 1 peg of garlic out of this. Yeah? Alright. Throw it inside the blender also. Alright. Get a jelly coconut, and you pour it inside of the blender with the chocho and the peg of garlic. And you're gonna blend. If you don't have a jelly, you can use natural spring water or bottled water. Alright? Or purified water. Right. You're gonna blend. Blend right out to nothing. Alright? Then you're going to strain. Give you it in patwa. You're going to strain it. After you strain it, you're going to drink it. Yeah, so after you blend it with the jelly water and the 1 peg of garlic here, you're gonna buckle it, put it into a buckle. Yes, every night when you go into your bed, you drink a cup of it for 9 mornings straight. So if you know you're gonna want more, you can throw 2 jelly inside of it, or you can use a liter of water or a liter of jelly water into it. Yeah, so you're gonna use a liter of water, 1 chocho, 1 peg of garlic, just 1 of the peg inside here, and a little honey. Alright, just to take away the taste. You're gonna drink it every night you go to your bed for 9 mornings straight. 9 mornings straight, my people. Yeah. So after the 9 morning, that's it. You ease off. and you can see your pressure is gonna be normal. Yeah, but if your pressure is caused by illness or sickness or something, what the chocho does, it heals inside of you. You know what I mean? This substance that come out of the chocho, it is a very powerful substance. When it go inside of you, it heal every wound inside of you. So most of the time you have high blood pressure is something that you have inside of you giving you a problem. Like you have a little kidney problem or something. It make your pressure go high. Yeah, poor circulation also make your pressure go high. Alright, so after drink it for the 9 mornings straight, you will see that the pressure, and you need to check your pressure also by when you keep drinking you test your pressure each morning you test the pressure to see if it is going down too low, or you just want to check the pressure to know what's the position of your pressure. All right, so you test it every morning. Yeah. All right, there's a next remedy now for the same high blood pressure, hypertension. But this remedy, it's good. It is good for also for diabetes. All right. This is our next remedy now. You're gonna put away the honey, and you're gonna put away the garlic. All right. Yeah. You're gonna include the chocho here, with a piece of ginger. Say 2 inch of ginger. Yeah. And a chocho, any size chocho. You're going to put it into a pot with the 2 inch of ginger, with 1 cup of water, and you're gonna boil it. Don't put it into a pot that is too big, that's gonna take up all of the water. Get a narrow pot, a little pot where the chocho can hold in, and the ginger, and you throw the water on it and you boil it. Boil it until the chocho boil. Don't cut the chocho, just wash it, put it inside there, boil it. And after you boil it, and when you know that the chocho is cooked, yeah, like cook it for 15 minutes. The chocho is cooked. You're gonna throw the water off. That water you throw off, that is what you're going to drink. Yeah? When you drink that water, it's gonna carry down your blood pressure left to the amount that you drink. So you need to test your pressure at the same time, because it will carry it down too low. Alright? So yes, that is our next remedy. Alright, so the first one, you wash, cut up fine, and blend with the garlic. And you put a tip of honey inside here. Yes, the roaster they go on with him thing. They make him love inside there. Yeah. I saw him go on, man. He can get it take it at any time, But still like me, who can't take it at any time, yeah. Alright, so that is the remedy for high blood pressure. But to cut it up and blend it and drink the water off it, it cure any high blood pressure. Alright? But to wash it and boil it older with a piece of ginger 2 inch in a cup of water, it normalizes your pressure, your hypertension. It normalizes it. So many people now sit down there with the high blood pressure and they eat up your whole heap of corn this and your corn that and your salt this and your salt that. And I say the pressure now go down. You have to change your diet. So you take time with the salt, or you use a little touch of sea salt in your thing. See? Right, that's the thing there. Yeah, man. So now get up every day and I say, your pressure high and it now go down. You know why it now go down? Because you eat the salt. So you ease off of the salt. You understand? And yes, remember the Bible say, herbs are the healing of the nation. See? Yeah, so some of the times we don't have to eat food, we can eat fruits or veg. You know what I mean? But Some of these vegetables, trust me, you don't want to eat them because they're full of chemical. So the next important thing for us is to plant our own. Yeah, just like in my little garden here, right at my kitchen window, I plant actually everything inside here. If me I go cook, me can just walk through the garden and pick one and two little something, go back inside the kitchen. I just water them, me people. It's very easy. It doesn't matter. You can even plant into a drum because I also plant into TV back. Any little thing I can get to planting, I plant in it. Yeah? So we can plant in anything. Plant one little thing, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers and my subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know, me love and respect, you know. Seeing? But yeah, when you come on this channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut, there's a lot of things you learn on this channel. Alright? And there's a lot more to come. We have a whole heap of cook up and boil up and blend up. Yeah? So stick around, my viewers. And if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Alright? And if you want to watch the next video, you can watch this one here. But suppose you don't feel like watch that one. You watch this one. My viewers and my subscriber. My name is Ever Slick. Peace. And I'm out.